Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to be doing some jewelry. So I put my thinking cap and decided to do something that was completely out of the box. And I decided to make some jewelry out of cardboard. I know, cardboard. I wanted to create something that was not expensive, that anyone can create, they have around the house, something that was different, unique, and fun, something I've never done before. But before we get into the video, I wanted to say a big thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. You guys have seen me use my Cricut numerous of times. I love my Cricut. I use the Maker 3 for this DIY specifically, and I love that machine. It is the perfect machine to get creative. There's so many things that you can do with this machine that it is completely endless, and that's what I love about this machine. So I'm so excited to have partnered with them. I decided to pull out my Cricut machine and start the jewelry making. So I decided to make 3 different types of jewelry. I did a necklace, I did earrings, and I did a ring. But there's so many different ways that you guys can have fun, play around. I decided to do those 3, but I mean, you can do belts, you can do arm cuffs, you can even do little pendants to go on a chain. If you're not someone like me, obviously I did my more is more and my tribal ethnic pieces, but if you want something a little bit more delicate or something a little bit more classical, you can definitely do so. But anyway, so I decided to use some cardboard. I wasn't sure if this was going to be a complete flop, but I actually impressed myself. I'm pleasantly surprised, and I love the pieces that I created, and I will be wearing them. I am wearing one of the jewelry right now. I am wearing the earrings, but I also did a necklace and a ring. So anyway, let's jump right into the DIYs. Enjoy. Another thing I wanted to mention, in my last video, I used the microphone, and I know a lot of you commented on the microphone hanging on my necklace, and I didn't realize I wanted to put it somewhere that I felt it was going to stay put and wasn't going to fall. And so I didn't want to put it on my shirt, I didn't want to put it on my coat, so I decided to hang it on my jewelry. When I was editing the video, I realized that it was hitting on my jewelry and you were hearing it. So it's a lesson learned. I will definitely never be putting it on my jewelry, but I wanted to let you know that I realized, obviously, when I was editing the video, that I was like, once it's filmed, there's nothing much that I can do. So I still decided to put out those clips in the thrift store, so I will not make the same mistake. It's a big, huge learning process, and I am taking you along with me on the ride. So there will be little hiccups here and there. Hopefully you guys can be patient and love me regardless and still watch my videos, even if there's things that are not going to be perfect all the time, but I am trying my very best. So I wanted to let you know, because I got quite a bit of comments saying that it was hitting the microphone, and I apologize for that. It was never my intention. I wanted the voice to be clear and crisp, and it actually wasn't. So I wanted to let you guys know next time it's well noted. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this type of DIY. I know it's not your standard DIY, and I know it's made out of cardboard, and it's not for everybody, but I wanted to do something that was completely different from what I've ever done before. And I think making jewelry out of cardboard is pretty different. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. And now moving on to the outfit part. I'm going to start off from the top to the bottom. Hat, you guys have seen this hat numerous of times. I have worn this time and time again. It is the best hat. It is the best investment I've ever made. I got this hat from a company called Brixton, and I actually bought 2 of them in case this one got ruined. I had a second one, and I'm so glad I did. It's not easy to find a wide brim hat like this. I keep wearing it every single year. It's one of my favorite hats. And then moving on to my earrings, obviously you guys saw the DIY. Jewelry necklace is from Koakaya. I have a few left of this one. It's so beautiful when you're wearing like a deep V. I think it's the perfect necklace. It makes a statement, but without it being too much. So I love this necklace. And kimono is from Susari Silk. Belt I thrifted. So there you have it, guys. That is my whole outfit, and thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, and if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so. That's the best way that you guys can help my channel grow and help support my channel. Thank you all so much for all your love and continuous support. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. I'm not sure, it's up in the air, but I love you guys so much, and have the best week ever. Mwah. Bye guys.